Why does your scanner show the P0069 engine code? What does it mean? P0069 is a diagnostic trouble code for manifold absolute pressure or barometric pressure correlation. This engine code indicates that PCM has detected the difference between the manifold absolute pressure sensor voltage and the barometric sensor reading varies too much. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty MAP sensor, dirty air filter, vacuum leaks, faulty barometric pressure sensor, wiring issues, faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Hyundai, Kia, BMW, and most modern cars. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.